Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Do your staff prefer working from home rather than being in the office? Maybe they like it more than you think. A new report found 96% of employees would give up part of their salary to work from home permanently. And of those, a third would give up half of their monthly earnings. Wow. It's been nearly 2 years since working remotely was encouraged for everyone. Maybe this is a good time to check your staff have the best possible home setup. First, you should review your data security. Make sure their home networks are secure and remote network access is safe. Then check you're using the right collaboration tools. And finally, consider giving everyone professional webcams and high-quality microphones to improve video calls. If you'd like help checking these things, just give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.